Alright, what's going on, everyone? So today we are going to work on shooting a base coat on this. Zach has got it all wet sanded down and we got it wetted down, and now we got to go back around, tack everything down and get it ready for base coat. So we'll catch up with you guys here in a few. So we got them. Zach went around and just brushed them all off with a dry rag, and we went around and tacked them all. So yeah, we got the first coat tacked, and now we'll do a second coat once this all dries, and then we'll be on to doing some shooting.
Dry yet, the hood's still got a shiny spot.
Yeah. Are you mixing that 4 to 1 to 1?
Yeah. No, 2 to 1.
2 to 1.
2 to 1.
Zach's over there mixing up the paint right now, so we can shoot this bad girl.
I bet I won't get it messy mixing this paint.
Well, you wouldn't have got as messy the last time if you didn't spill it. Check out part 1 of painting in the bloopers reel. It's great. Zach thought it would be best to paint the floor, his shoes, and the bench, but nah, wasn't a good idea.
I needed primer.
So we got this girl all tacked down. Still maybe just a little damp. We're gonna get that sprayed up. He's doing his mixing. I think I just got that on film. And this girl's all tacked down, ready for paint as well. So we will get to see which one turns out the best. Longevity, I know I said it in like part 2 of this series. I don't think will be as what we're all looking for. Is we're gonna rattle can this one and we're gonna clear coat over top of it, which a lot of people's not doing that, but that's what we're gonna do. So yeah, as soon as he gets his stuff all mixed up to the right ratios, then we will be ready to shoot some paint. Alright guys, we're on it. We got it tacked down twice. Little sneak peek. We got that one shot with the turbo paint. And Zach is truly mixing the paint now. Instead of that shaky stuff, man. I don't get it. That stuff was a lot faster to mix. But we got this one all tacked down twice, wet sanded, so we're gonna get this thing ready to go to shoot our base coat. We'll catch up with you guys here in a few. What?
Hope it don't do that.
This eye?
No. Where you painted this. Whew.
What, the run?
Yeah. Or were they there?
They might have been there.
Let's hope they were there. I didn't see any more. I didn't really sand that either. You're not gonna
Yeah,
see
I
it.
didn't sand it either.
Make sure you can get that edge. Can't get a good angle because of the white.
I don't think they wanted to hang out no more.
No, I don't know why. Not like it stinks in here or
I
anything.
know. Just a little skinny. Must be running low.
Yeah, I need some. Alright, well, we got the first coat on the bed. Don't mind all these runs and stuff on the backside. We did not sand that down. But the bed does not look bad. It looks a little fish-eye, but I can't tell if that's just from where it's not completely covering yet. Not too bad. Desert don't look bad. We do got a little runs in the curve there, but oh well, you won't see it. A plastic piece covers that. And we got back side of it down a little bit. And we got a racing stripe on the roof. What Zach said. Alright guys, I'm sorry, but I'm once again still having problems with my media mod. I just got my new one today. It arrived while we were actually shooting this, so I didn't have time to throw it on or anything. So, but yeah, this is all turning out real good. So I'm gonna let you guys listen to some music. Sorry, we talked through this whole thing and I lost absolutely every bit of talking. Seems like as soon as my GoPro gets to 50% battery life, media mod goes dead. So kick back and enjoy. Well, apparently my GoPro Media Mod totally took a crap, but here it is. We got her all taken care of, all painted. This one little piece right here would not cover. I don't know what was wrong. There must have been something in the paint there. Something was up with that one little speck. We did a total of 3 coats on this. We got 0 runs other than right in there, but that's the backside, and that was from the primer. We never sanded those out, but it turned out really, really good. There's a little bit of orange peel here and there. I didn't shoot the whole bed. There's no reason. It's going to have bed liner. I was just trying to get rid of some paint, but I am absolutely thrilled with how this turned out. So, as always, we'll catch you guys on the next one, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment. But I figured I'd jump back in here. Check this out. This is what we did with the turbo spray paint. I forgot this was in here, but totally can't really tell the difference between the paint jobs, looking at them both. I think maybe the turbo spray paint is just a little off-white compared, but there they are side by side. You can hardly tell a difference. Zach trying to sneak out of the frame there.